Greetings, greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwa School. Manikwa School, if you did not know, is actually a school that is dedicated to teaching programming, problem-solving skills. That is, it actually teaches one how to solve problems by means of doing things in a wrong way first before getting into the right solution. Okay, with that out of the way, today we're actually going to be doing exercise 2.5 and we're only going to be having one solution. Again, this is one of those problems that are pretty straightforward, so there is nothing much to play around with. So let's get on to the question itself. In case you're watching this for the very first time, this is the textbook we're going to be using, and I'll also leave a link below if you want to get yourself your own PDF. So let's jump on to the question itself. It's actually on page 93. Let me zoom in. Hope everyone can see. Now let's read the question. It's actually a financial application. These are calculate tips, okay? Write a program that reads the subtotal in the gratuity rate, then compute the gratuity and the total, okay? For example, if the user enters 10 for subtotal and 15 for gratuity rate, the program displays $1.5 as gratuity and 11.5 as total. So here is a sample run. They give us this thing as a sample run. So let's jump onto our IDE and see what we can do about this. Okay, of course the very first thing will be to read user input using a scanner. Called Synonym Scanner. Simply go system.in because we'll be reading from a keyboard. Okay, what we want now is to simply import the scanner class. Then finally we close it. Close the scanner. Okay, the very first thing we do is to simply prompt a user to enter subtotal and gratuity. Okay, we prompt a user to enter subtotal and gratuity. Actually, it's a gratuity rate. Okay, you can simply do this to avoid that. Dot print gratuity rate. Okay, simply go, or we can simply copy and paste this whole thing. Okay, and then what we do, we keep we declare and initialize our variables for subtotal and the gratuity rate. Okay, that's gonna be given by a scanner. Next double double equals to gratuity. Oh, I almost forget it, guys. We've gotta enter whatever it was, whatever the user decided to input into percentages. So we're gonna do that by simply going divided by 10.0. Okay, and then we simply use printf printf simply use printf, and then we go the gratuity is, then we first put a dollar sign, and then we simply go $4, and we simply put our format right here, and then we go end total is, again we put a dollar sign, and we simply go 2.1, again we put, okay, we simply go to 0.1 f, and then lastly we put our computations, which is simply, no, actually I've got to put gratuity here only, not gratuity rate. And I'll also need to put subtotal. That is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. Let's hit the run button and see what is it we get. Let's try to input whatever they decided to input. It's gonna be 10 and 15. Is that it? Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Oh God. It's 1.5 and what else? Okay, let's see. As I mentioned, you guys, it has been a long day for me, so no wonder I make silly mistakes. Of course, I should have added the 2. I should have put a plus sign. So now let's hit the run button and put 10 and 15 and see what we get. Boom, we got what we wanted, you guys. Thanks for your time. See you on the next tutorial. I'm gone. Cheers.